Meaning of innkeeper.
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 Innkeeper. An innkeeper is someone who manages an inn, which is a small hotel or lodging house that provides accommodations and sometimes food for travelers. The innkeeper is responsible for the day-to-day operations of the inn, including managing staff, overseeing guest rooms and facilities, maintaining inventory, and ensuring guest satisfaction. In addition to their managerial duties, innkeepers may also have to perform maintenance tasks, prepare meals, and interact with guests. Overall, an innkeeper plays a crucial role in providing a comfortable and welcoming environment for travelers away from home.